Hi, honey. Hi, Bax. Are you purring? Are you purring, little man? Someone's purring. Oh, Bax. I hear you purring. I can hear you purring. You want a chin rub? Oh, lady, I love the chin rub. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Good boy. Yeah. Look at how handsome you are. Where are you going? There's your parents. Hi. You give me kisses? Did I just get a little kiss from you? Little kisses. Oh, belly rubs. Belly rubs for Baxter. Belly rubs, belly rubs, belly rubs. Belly rubs. Good job, Bax. Come here, baby boy. Come here, baby boy. Come here, little man. Those are your toes? Those are your toes. Those are your toes, toes. Yep. Foot, foot, hand, hand. Yeah. Good boy. Oh, good boy. This your belly? This is Baxter's belly. Hi, handsome. Oh, I want to do floppings. Oh, I gotta clean myself up. Yeah, guess who gets a butt bath today? Mr. Theo. Yes. What a good boy. Oh my, we don't need that.